Magandang araw mga boss. Ngayong araw na to ay mag-install tayo ng door jamb o hamba sa ating second floor. So bali yung gamit natin sa ating second floor mga boss ay metal stud. Ganyan. So meron na tayong jealousy frame. So bali plastic po yung ginamit nating jealousy frame. So dito mga boss magkakabit tayo ng door jamb. May sukat na po yan mga boss. So simulan na natin.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know.
Optional lang yung wood glue mga boss. So hindi tayo gumamit ng pako mga boss. So wood screw yung gamit natin para mas mahigpit.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
So yan, kasya-kasya lang yung ating ginawang hamba mga boss sa ating metal stud. So mas malaga mga boss, meron kayong dadalang hulog kasi mahalagang matuwid yung nasa hulog yung ating hamba para hindi tayo mahirapan sa paglagay ng pintuan.
Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own.
So napansin nyo mga boss, hindi ko linibil sa metal stud yung ating door jamb. Ganyan. So yung plywood na yung maglilibil niyan mga boss, or yung hardoplex. So ganun din sa kabila mga boss. Yung hardoplex na yung maglilibil sa ating door jamb.
All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
At yung pag-i-screw naman natin mga boss, dapat tigda dalawa mga boss sa gilid. Yan, para mas matibay yung ating door jamb at hindi siya magbubuka yung ating metal stud.
And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Don't be scared.
A few moments later.
So ito na mga boss, na-install natin yung dalawang hamba mga boss, ganyan. So bali yung pagkalagay natin to ng screw is doon sa ating tubular na 2x3 na tubular. Yan yung nagsisilbing poste mga boss, yung 2x2 na tubular. So ganun din sa kabila, yan, screw natin yan, yung metal stud, tapos
I'm so gone, no I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so on, you're gonna be hurting bad, cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad, I stay strong, you will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math, when I hate I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared.
A few moments later.
so ito nga pala yung ginawa ko kanina mga boss. Nilagyan ko ng epoxy primer yung ating plywood para kahit gaano mag waterproof siya mga boss. Kasi pag malakas yung ulan mga boss, papasok yung ulan dyan sa ating terrace. So kaya ginawa ko as nilagyan ko ng epoxy primer. At yung plano ko dito mga boss is itatiles ko to mga boss. Ganyan, itatiles ko to, tapos yung joining niya is lalagyan ko ng sealant para hindi talaga papasok yung tubig. Tapos i-slope ko yan papunta dun sa labas mga boss, para pag may papasok na tubig dyan sa butas, dadaan. So yan mga boss, para paraan lang tayo sa pag gagawa mga boss. So ito nga pala boss, yung tira-tirang door jam mga boss, nilagyan ko dyan para hindi papasok yung tubig kung sakaling may malakas na hangin. So yan. So yan yung magsisilbing stopper dyan mga boss, para hindi papasok yung tubig. So hanggang dito na lang muna mga boss. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Kung gustuhan yung video na to, please like and subscribe this channel.